Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today is the day. Few months ago I published a video for a wonderful Tamiya off-road two-wheel drive buggy novelty, the BBX. And I ordered, passed a lot of time, I have it, I made a video for delivery, and now it's time to see, to understand, to have fun, to mount, to put the hand inside. I'm speaking about this box. You see that we have two cars and they are very similar, but I think it's just a question of colors, of stickers, decals, stickers, and yes, why not? It's two-wheel drive, front wheels with this design. This is modern, this is older. We have a very large bumper here, and this was fantastic so many years ago in the 80s. And now Tamiya decided to renew the old mythum with this. But this is not only a commercial operation, this is a technical operation, and now I am going to show you why. And to understand, we have to open the box. Box art at the top as usual. There's something here. The cage is gray and on the original it was red. Maybe I have to think it over. So inside we have, as usual, instructions. Lot of instructions, it's quite thick. This is a spare tire from the old one that I want to put here over. Color, steering servo. I don't have the engine, and about this I have an idea that involves another car which has a very powerful engine, too much powerful engine. It's not so, oh sorry, this is the right way to show you. And here inside what do we have? The pilot with this kind of helmet. I prefer the jet one. Okay. And here we have parts for the body, the lights, okay, plastic parts. These are for the all the suspension arms, front and rear. Oh well, we have chrome rims, very nice. The frame, red or gray. Also this one, red or gray, red or gray, red or gray. This is the question, this is the problem. And these are, well, we will discover. Front bumper, roads, wheelie ball. Side, here they are not. On this one we have these side bumpers. Engine cover, rear bumper. This looks like a cooling system. Perhaps this is for the receiver, I don't know. Then we have the sponge. Wow, what big tires. Really big tires. Look at the size. This is the old one. Very big tires. The foam and the tires. Actual size. Yes, much bigger. This means that it's more easy to find a place to run it. Wonderful tires. And the body that is in a million pieces. Wash, cut, paint the body. This is a template for the nest, like the old one. The main frame, this reminds me something. Super Avante has a similar frame, quite rigid, top plastic. These stickers are very similar to the old one. They're quite the same. Fantastic stickers. Very, very useful antenna tube. And if you want to read something before sleeping, all these kind of things. But it's not all. We have another box that inside has all the hardware, I suppose. And we have servo saver, okay, clips, everything to mount, plus some screws, tools. This I like it very much, because it's to put on the edge of the antenna tube. Tools, nothing new. Dampers, well, aluminum dampers, not plastic. This is a good news. Ball bearings, and this is another good news. Alright, aluminum dampers, this is fantastic. And here we have something for the transmission. Transmission with very little teeth. Bearings, grease. This is a soft adhesive. We will discover balls for the diff. Dampers, plastic parts. Okay, the cap of the damper is in plastic. More dampers. Oh, this is perhaps to close the battery compartment. I don't know. Screws, double adhesive. These are the valve for the damper. This wonderful grease. This is for the servo saver. And this is mainly and very quickly what you find inside the box. And all these are first quality things, all first quality things. And what else? Now we have to start the work. Then I have to organize everything, open all the bag, and if you are amused to my channel, you know that I don't like to throw plastic around in our so fragile world, so I keep everything very precise, very ordered, quite maniac, I know. And after this, I think that I will paint blue and decide for the frame if red or if red. This is difficult because red is fantastic, but this is gray, and with some zinc or aluminum could be very nice. Red is hot, gray is cool. Cool, not it's very nice, cool, brr, freezing. Okay, I will decide. So, start the work. Comment, like and subscribe. And this is part of the work. I'm dividing everything in families of pieces, and the work is quite long, as we have a lot of plastic we don't need. Tamiya, please take a look to the world, to the environment, to pollution. There's no need to have all these plastic bags. absolutely no need. Okay, it's quite a long work, but at the end I will play more easily and happily. Happiness, happily. Felice, in Italian is felice. Happy. And here we are. We are ready to start the work. These are dampers, body parts, some different materials. This is for the transmission, this is the steering, all the screws, all I have to paint. These are the plastic parts. In the box we have a lot of things. We have 2 envelopes for the plastic that I will not use, or these are all the, you see how many. And here we have stickers, instructions. We are ready to start the work. Here, first we have to wash carefully. Then this is a soft plastic, so perhaps a primer before painting, but it needs to be painted because you see this plastic, it looks too plastic. And this we have to cut and then wash. I'm cutting the body parts, and in this case it's quite complicated because we have a lot of curves. So before I cut so and so, just to separate the pieces, then I finish with scissors. Then I finish with this. It's a very long work. Lot of pieces, I want to be very precise. It takes time. About the steering servo, this is the one I thought to mount, but I've seen instructions, and if I'm not going wrong, I need this one. That is... Hey, come on, open this box. Okay. This one. Way thinner. It's very nice. 12 kilos. More than enough. Fantastic. About 30 euros on Amazon. Yes, with all these pieces. And this is the paint work. I've decided for red, and it is satin red. I love it. The point of the red is fantastic. The body, the top. This part I decided in gray, and this in red. Okay. I have to wait to dry. And so, my friends, for today, this is all. The BBX is started. This is the color part. Next video about mechanical parts. But before, I have to find an engine, and I have an idea. And for this, I think that you will see another video about another car. I have something in mind. Comment, like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Up to the next. Ciao. And remember, protect yourself.